Okay, so this is my last chance. I will explain to you why we're in my car. We're in my car because I wanted to sing outside today on my lunch break, which we are on and we don't have much time left. And I wanted to sing outside, but it looks like rain. So we're in my car and we have some traffic on that side and we have a parking lot on that side. And there's like a surprising amount of people in this parking lot, so I'm in the back. So if you get like people walking around out there or noises, I'm sorry, but I really wanted to put this song out there so you guys could hear it. I realized I hadn't made a video of it yet, and it's probably because I haven't sang it basically since I wrote it a month ago. So appropriate, right? I called it Sunshine and it's raining, so it's a perfect day to just sing it out. I hope you like it. We're just gonna sing it open because the capo don't fit. Get my lyrics to stand up on my lap. I had a question for you today, but I'm afraid of what you might say about your sunshine, about your sunshine, about your sunshine. I had a favor to ask you today, but I already know what you'll say. Please don't stop. Please don't stop. Please don't stop. Take me back to a time when we'd forget about the world spinning right out of our control. Well, take me back to a time when we'd fall for all the lies and sleep right through our alarms and have dreams of home wherever we may go. I had a dream about you today. I know by now that this is not okay. What do you plan to do? You'll never drag me out. What do you plan to say? Deep water won't scare me. I've lived there the last 10 years. Well, maybe one day you'll see whether we're saints or we're sinners. We will never be free. But I believed in you for today. You better think before you say anything about your sunshine, about your sunshine, anything about your sunshine. I hope you guys like it. Singing about some sunshine while it's legitimately starting to rain. So I gotta get back to work. Have a good day wherever you are.